project. These are main projects that are currently going on in the constituency. The market project complex at Kortali and the market complex at Zuarinagar. Now he wants to know what is the status of each project. So he's under the impression that he's going to see almost a complete project. So when he sees that there's still a lot of work to be done, I'm sure he will give them some deadlines to be met, and hopefully the project will be completed as quickly. Because all the vendors, everybody is waiting to come in, and we are also eager to get them inside and let them start with their business. So hopefully this should happen a little faster.
स्पीडअप केले अडेच महिन्यान जातलो डिले म्हणजे काही टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम पण म्हाका सांगा आता नोव्हेंबर 30th नोव्हेंबर इज प्रपोज कंप्लीशन जाला तो यू कॅन सी आता उरलं ते फिनिशिंगचे काम
म्हणजे आता बिर्ला मार्केटाचं प्रोजेक्टाचे काम चालू
आता सगळे मार्केट स्पीडअप केले एक कारण आशिल्लें म्हणजे फायनान्शियल सपोर्ट जाय तो मेळना दॅट is now almost online.